Recently, my SlideFormation team and I received a slide like this from a client. As a presentation design agency, we get a whole bunch of different slides that need a clearer message. The core message here gets lost, and the core message is simple. Average internet speed is getting higher and higher. So what can we do in a case like this? Here's a quick fix. Change the chart type, keep it a combo chart, but present the average values as a line chart. The other two, minimum and maximum, as area charts. Now adjust the colors. The bottom area chart should be white. Delete the grid lines. Insert text boxes and type in the proper callouts so that the legend is integrated within the chart. Format it and position it properly. Now add data labels. You don't have to add them to every single data point. It's enough to place them at the beginning, at the end, and at the current data points. Since we are in 2026, let's mark those points here. And to show that the period between 2026 and 2030 is a prediction, it is good to format that part of the line differently, for example, as a dashed or dotted line. How do you like it? If this was helpful, please like, subscribe and drop a comment below. I read every single one, so please help me grow the channel. See you next time.